case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
This case, rooted in a tragic incident dating back to December 1988, saw a 48-year-old ironworker injured by a falling steel column. The complications emerging from this calamity led to the court case Oden versus Chemung County Industrial Development Agency. The ironworker sued various parties associated with the incident, which resulted in him being awarded damages for past medical expenses, pain and suffering, lost earnings, pension benefits, and future lost earnings and benefits. At the heart of the dispute was the question of reducing the personal injury award by collateral source payments. Initially, a lower court ordered that the sum awarded for future economic loss should be reduced. But the Appellate Division saw fit to modify this decision, offering the ironworker the full amount instead. The case then took another turn as the third-party defendant, Streeter, appealed the decision, leading to this case being scrutinized by the New York Court of Appeals. The Court of Appeals maintained that only the award for lost pension benefits should be offset by the collateral disability retirement benefits, invoking the specific guideline known as CPLR 4545C. The court asserted that the collateral source rule, which inhibits a personal injury award from being reduced by any compensation from a source other than the tortfeasor, should be restricted only to those economic losses that directly correspond to the type of collateral reimbursement. Accordingly, they affirmed the Appellate Division's ruling. The latter accurately applied the ironworkers' anticipated disability pension benefits to reduce to zero the award for lost ordinary pension benefits. Thus, they established that the plaintiff's disability pension benefits did indeed replace lost ordinary pension benefits. The decision marked an insightful interpretation of the ways and instances in which a personal injury award can be reduced by collateral source payments. Its consequences resonate loudly for all parties seeking a CPLR 4545C offset in future cases, given the required demonstration of a direct association between the economic loss in question and the collateral source payment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.